Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the time I almost eloped with a camper van. True story. While my buddies were out dating fitness influencers and arguing about kombucha flavors, I was busy making googly eyes at the Possl Vario 499. I once pulled up next to a Tesla at a rest stop, and the guy looked at me like I'd just shown up to a black tie gala in a toaster. But guess what? My toaster had a queen bed, a bathroom, and a fridge that opens like a magician's prop from both sides. Before we dive headfirst into campervan love, don't forget to subscribe. If you like your vehicles like your jokes, tight, efficient, and with surprisingly spacious bathrooms, this channel is for you. Now, let's get into the legendary beast that was the Possl Vario 499, a unicorn on wheels. Built on the Citroën Jumper chassis, this micro-monster measured just 4.99 meters long. That's 16.4 feet for my fellow feet and inches fans. Despite its modest exterior, the Vario 499 was more stacked than my neighbor Todd's conspiracy theories. This thing had seating for 4. Possl packed this van with 2.45 meters of interior height, which is basically cathedral ceilings in campervan terms. And no, I'm not exaggerating. I'm 6 feet 2 inches, and I've hit my head on everything from airplane overhead bins to closet shelves, but never inside this van. Sleeping arrangements? Pure wizardry. A double drop-down bed over the cab, half mounted on gas struts, the other half in the cab over, came with 2 side windows, a skylight, and even a little shelf to charge your phone or hide your feelings. Downstairs, you could convert the dinette into a one-person bed. That dinette setup came with pillows and an extension that stored neatly under the floor. The galley was no joke either. 2-burner gas stove, compact sink, and storage that seemed to go on forever. Across from it, a Thetford fridge-freezer combo that swung open from both sides. I still don't know how they did that. Must be German sorcery. But the crown jewel? That rear wet bathroom, elevated on a platform like it was ready to accept an award. Cassette bench toilet, massive sink with built-in vanity, mirrored cabinet, 2 gas tank compartments, overhead cabinet, and even fold-out pegs for your towels. The Vario 499 had a max gross weight of 3,500 kilograms, came standard with Truma heating and AC, and was ready for city streets or off-grid getaways. Pricing? Back in its heyday, it hovered around $65,000 to $75,000. $60,000 to $70,000, depending on extras and how persuasive your dealer was. Unfortunately, it hasn't been in production for a few years.